Everyone wants success in business. People want the growth, the revenue, the recognition, and the freedom that entrepreneurship can bring. But what many people don't realize is that success rarely happens overnight. In fact, most successful businesses are built slowly through consistent action and long-term discipline. The truth is, success in business isn't usually about one big breakthrough moment. It's about the small actions you take every single day, every email you send, every connection you build, every problem you solve, every lesson you learn along the way. All of these small steps compound over time and begin to create momentum. One of the biggest mistakes new entrepreneurs make is expecting immediate results. They launch a product, start a business, or begin a new venture, and when success doesn't happen quickly, they start to doubt themselves. But the reality is that most successful entrepreneurs stayed consistent long enough for their efforts to begin paying off. They kept showing up when things were uncertain, they kept learning when things were difficult, and they kept pushing forward when others would have given up. Another important part of business success is strategy. Working hard is important, but working with the right direction is what creates real growth. Successful entrepreneurs constantly ask themselves questions like, how can I improve my systems? How can I create more value for my customers? Where are the opportunities in my market? And how can I position my business to grow over time? When you combine consistent effort with clear strategy, you start building something powerful. But there's one more factor that separates successful entrepreneurs from everyone else, and that is persistence. There will always be obstacles in business. Markets change, customers change, technology changes. There will be moments where things don't go according to plan, but persistence allows you to keep adjusting, keep learning, and keep moving forward. Every challenge becomes a lesson. Every setback becomes preparation for the next opportunity. Over time, the entrepreneurs who stay committed begin to build credibility, relationships, and momentum. And those things eventually turn into growth. So if you're building a business right now, remember this. Success isn't just about having a great idea. It's about staying consistent long enough for that idea to turn into something real. It's about continuing to improve your strategy, strengthen your network, and develop your skills. And most importantly, it's about continuing to move forward even when the results aren't immediate, because the businesses that succeed are often built by people who simply refuse to quit. So keep building, keep learning, keep pushing forward, because the work you're doing today may be laying the foundation for the success you see tomorrow. Till next time, comment below if this helped.